Hi, I'm Angela, Senior Staff Engineer at Regeneron, and this is Logan, my Science Simplifier.
Hello!
I'm part of the PMPD team. We develop and scale up manufacturing processes used to produce new medicines for clinical trials and commercialization.
We help figure out how to make enough new medicine for touchdown for people who need help.
Our work begins once R&PD discovers a therapeutic candidate with enough promise to warrant us creating a repeatable, scalable, safe way to produce it.
It's kind of like somebody makes a really amazing cookie, so we need to come up with the right recipe that lets us bake more and more and more of it.
The automation of processes and data collection plays a key role in our success. It lets us keep the bioreactors running 24/7, which means we can keep growing cells while we're at home sleeping. There are even safeguards built in that alert team members when something's not right.
And we have these machines that follow the recipe for us and keep the cookies baking all night.
Automation also helps us be precise and ensure reproducibility, a necessity since every new batch of medicine must maintain high molecular consistency. There is no room for variation when patients' lives depend on us being exact.
Our machines are super good at making sure every plate of cookies comes out exactly the same.
Of course, we're keeping an eye on the process. We analyze data from the batches to ensure medicines are purified correctly and have the correct composition.
Us bakers are still checking the cookies up to us to make sure the recipe works and the ingredients are just right.
Once we've established the process and verified the medicines are exactly as defined, we hand them off to IOPS for manufacturing.
Once the recipe is perfect, we give it to our biggest bakers so they can make cookies for everyone who needs them.
The added precision and efficiency of our unique automation system also frees up our experts to spend time finding ways to improve the process, helping us to push new therapies through the pipeline faster than ever.
So you're speeding up the speed of science?
You can say that. And we're helping more patients in the process.
Loses.